Hello students, today we will solve few more problems of annuity. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum of money for 3 years at 6% per annum is rupees 264. Find the sum. Okay, so you are supposed to find the principal. Okay, so here it is given the difference between simple interest and compound interest is 264. That means compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 264. R is given as 6%, which is 0.06, and T is given as 3 years. T or N, it's one and the same thing. T is equal to N is equal to 3 years. Okay, and you are supposed to find P. Find the sum. Okay, so it's given compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 264. So formula for compound interest is P into 1 plus R raised to N minus P. This is compound interest, correct? Minus simple interest. Simple interest is PTR, correct? Principal into time into R. P into T into R is equal to 264. Okay. I actually don't need this bracket because, yeah. So this is compound interest minus simple interest. Okay. Now here you can see P into 1 plus R raised to N minus P minus PTR. So in all the three terms P is common. So let's take P out. P I have taken out. So things which are uncommon I am keeping it inside. 1 plus R raised to N minus 1 minus TR. So when you open the bracket, it will be P into 1 plus R raised to N is P into 1 plus R raised to N. P into minus 1 is minus P. P into minus TR is minus PTR. Okay. Okay. Is equal to 264. Let us substitute. You are supposed to find P only, right? So P, this bracket you take it to the other side. Multiplication will become division. So P is equal to 264 divided by 1 plus R raised to N minus 1 minus TR. 264 1 plus R. R was 0.06, right? So 0.06 raised to N. N is 3 minus 1 minus TR. T into R. T is 3 and R is 0.06. 264 divided by 1.06 raised to 3. For that I need calculator. 1.06 raised to 3. Raised to 3 means into is equal to. So it comes to 1.191016. Okay. I can keep the whole thing or I can keep the 4 decimal. So 1.1910. 4 decimals I'll keep. 1.191 0 minus 1 minus 3 into 0.06. 3 into 0.06. It comes to 0.18. 0.18. Okay. Let us subtract 264 divided by 1.1910 minus 1 minus 0.18. Okay. So 1.1910 minus 1 minus 0.18. So denominator comes to 0.011. 0.011. So when you divide 264 divided by 0.011 is equal to 24,000. So the sum is 24,000. Principal is rupees 24,000. So this is the final answer. Okay. Let's see the next question. A father wishes to divide 1,50,000 among two sons who are respectively 10 and 12 years old in such a way that the sum invested at 7% per annum compound interest will give the same amount to both of them when they attain the age of 18. Okay. How is the sum can be divided? Okay. So 1,50,000 has to be divided between two sons. Okay. So one is elder son and one is younger son. Okay. So I'll write elder son and younger son. Okay. Suppose for elder son, he wishes to divide 1,50,000 among both of them. So for elder son, if P is equal to X, for younger son, P will be is equal to 1,50,000 minus X. Okay. So he is dividing 1,50,000. So if one is having X, other one will have 1,50,000 minus X. We don't know the amount. Okay. We have to find these amounts we are supposed to find. Okay. Among his two sons who are respectively 10 years and 12 years. Okay. So when they turn 18, that means for elder son, it will take 6 years to turn 18. And for younger son, it will take 8 years to turn 18. So T for elder son is 6 years. Okay. And T for younger son is 8 years. When both turn 18, right? So elder son is 12 years old, right? To turn 18, it will take more 6 years, right? 18 minus 12 is 6. Okay. And for younger son, now he is 10 years old. So to turn 18, it is 8 more years. So he has to invest for 8 more years. Okay. In such a way that the sum invested at 7% per annum, that means R is 7%, which is 0.07. R is 0.07. Okay. Compound interest will give amount to both which they attain at the age of 18. How is the sum can be divided? So you are supposed to find the amount will be same in both the cases. A is same. Okay. So let's start solving. This is what we have. Let's find A for both the sons. Okay. So A for elder son, for elder son, I will shift this little down. Okay. So A amount for elder son will be P into 1 plus r raised to n, which is p is x, 1 plus 0.07 raised to n. N means t only, right? Just 6. N and t is same. N and t is one and the same thing. Okay. So instead of writing t, I'll write n only here. N is equal to 6. Okay. So yeah. And this I can further write it as x into 1.07 raised to 6. This I can further write it as, wait, I'll shift this down. Okay. So 1.07 raised to 6. Let's solve that. 1.07 raised to 6. 1.07 raised to 6. So into and is equal to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it comes to, we'll keep 4 decimals, 1.5007. 1.5007x. Okay. So for elder son, a is equal to 1.5007x. Okay. Now let's solve for younger son. So a is equal to p into 1 plus r raised to n. Here p is 1,50,000 minus x. Okay, so I'll write this in a bracket. 1 plus r. So 1 plus 0.07 raised to 8. Okay. So 1,50,000 minus x, I'll keep it as it is. This will be 1.07 raised to 8. So let's solve what is 1.07 raised to 8. Okay. So 1.07 raised to 8. So into 7 times into. Click into twice in your calculator and is equal to 7 times because it is raised to 8. So is equal to, you will press 7 times. Okay. Into is equal to 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 decimals, I'll keep 4 decimals. Okay. So 1.71818 it is. So I'll write 1.7182. One lakh 50,000 minus x, 1.7182. Okay. So, and it is given amount should be same, right? So that means 1.5007x and x and 1,50,000 minus x into 1.7182 is same. It is given. Both sons get equal amount, right? Amount, that means both amount is same. So 1.5007x is equal to 1,50,000 minus x into 1.7182. Okay. So let's open the brackets. Okay. 1.5007x is equal to, I'll just open the bracket, 1,50,000 into 1.7182. 1,50,000 into 1.7182. it comes to 2,57,730. 2,57,730 minus 1.7182x. Okay, x terms on one side. So 1.5007x plus 1.7182x is equal to 2,57,730. Okay, so 1.5007x minus 1.7182x. 1.5007 minus 1. It was not minus, no, it was plus. Yeah, plus 1.7182. It comes to 3.2189. 3.2189x is equal to 257,730. So x is equal to 257,730 divided by 3.2189. So let's solve this. 257,730 divided by 3.2189. So it comes to 80,067.72. Okay, 725 only I can write. Okay, so 80,067.725. So x is equal to this much rupees. So that means, therefore, share of older son. So principal for the older son. Okay, so therefore share of older son is equal to rupees 80,067,725 paise. Okay, it's not 72 paise, 72 paise, 72.5 paise. Okay, anyway, okay, so share of younger son, $1,50,000 minus 80,067.725, which comes to rupees 69,932.275. Okay, okay, let's see the next problem. A chit fund has a scheme in which a deposit of rupees 1,000 amounts to 26,461.9 in 25 years. Okay, that means 1,000 is my P, this is my A, and T is 25. I mean N, T or N is 25. As a special case for the first 50 depositors, the firm intended to pay 1% higher compound interest per annum. What would be the benefit of the special offer for a depositor of 1,000? Okay, so let's find R first. Okay, principal is given, amount is given. Okay, Let's find R. Okay. Okay. So here P is equal to 1000, N is equal to 25, and A is equal to 26,461.9. You are supposed to find R. Okay. And then you will do +1 because there is a special offer, right? Okay. So let's start solving. The formula for R is antilog of log A minus log P upon N. Put this in bracket to avoid confusion, then -1. Okay. Now let us find log. Okay. So antilog of log 1000, sorry, not 1000, 26,461.9, 26,461.9 minus log 1000 divide by N. N is 25 years minus 1. We need a log table, right? Log table, no, it's not there. Wait, log table. Okay, here we have log table. Okay, so yeah. Now 26, there are 5 digits. Okay, so 5 digit minus 1. Before the decimal there are 5 digits. So 5 digit minus 1 will be 4. Correct. So antilog. So log of 26,461.9. So 26,461.9. So before the decimal there are 5 digits, so 4 point something. Okay, I have to check row 26 column 4 mean difference 6. Okay, row 26 column 4, row 26 column 4, row 26 column 4, 4216, 4216, 4216 plus mean difference 6, mean difference 6, row 24, no, it was row 26 mean difference 6, row 26 mean difference 6, row 26 mean difference 6 is 10. Okay, so 10 here, so it will become 4.4226. okay, so 4.4226 minus log of 1000. Now 1000 means 1000.00. So before the decimal there are 4 digits, so 3 point. Okay, row 10 column 0, it is going to be 0 only, 0000. Row 10 column 0 is 0000. Mean difference 0 is 0 only. So 3.0, so which is 3. Divide by 25 minus 1. So this becomes anti-log, okay, 4.4226 minus 3 divided by 25. So 4.4226 minus 3, which is 1.4226, okay, divide by 25, 0.056904. I'll keep 4 decimals. I need only 4 decimals. 0.0569. 0.0569. Okay. I have to find antilog of this minus 1. Okay. So to find antilog, first I will ignore the decimal. Okay, so I will just see what is after the decimal. Okay, so 0.0569, what is after the decimal? Row 0.05, column 6, mean difference 9. Okay, let's see antilog table. Antilog table, row 05, column 6 is 1138. Okay, so 1138 and mean difference 9. Mean difference 9 is 2. So it will become 1140. Okay. Row 0.05, column 6 was 1138, right? Yeah, 1138. It was 1138. And mean difference 9 was 2. So which becomes 1140. Okay, 1140. Before the decimal, there are no digits, 0 digit, right? So plus 1. So after 1 digit, I will put decimal point. So antilog of 0.0569 is 1.140 and this minus 1. So I'll get 0.140. Okay. So 0.14 means 14%. So R is equal to 0.14 means 14%. Okay. R is 14%, but special offer says you get 1% higher. Correct? So rate of interest is 14%. Okay. So but for special offer, for special offer 14 plus 1, so 15%. Okay, so special offer is 15%. Okay, so if P is 1000, how much will be A for special offer? Okay, so let's find A. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to N. Okay, so P is 1000, 1 plus 15%, so 0.15 raised to N for 25 years. So which is 1000 into 1.15 raised to 25. So let's calculate this. Into 1.15 raised to 25. So you will press is equal to 24 times. Okay. So 1.15 into and press is equal to 24 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it comes to, let's keep 4 decimals. Okay. So 32.91895. So I can say 32.9190. Okay. So 32.9190. 32.9190. When you multiply this by 1000, it will become 32919.0. Okay, so 32,919. So amount is 32,919. So extra benefit will be 32,919 minus, what was the amount? 26,461.9. 26,461.9. So let's subtract this. 32,919 minus 26,461.9. 32,919 minus 26,461.9. So it is 6,457.1. Rupees 6,457.1. So this is the extra benefit of special offer. Okay. Now let us calculate few depreciation problems. Okay, we can use the same formula and find the depreciation. Okay, the thing is, when you are getting interest, it keeps on adding. Your principal keeps on adding, right? I mean, the amount invested keeps on adding up. But in case of depreciation, the value of the asset keeps on reducing, right? So in that case, the formula will be A into P into 1 minus R raised to N. The only difference is, instead of plus, it will be minus. Okay. So principal is the value of the asset, the cost price of the asset, and every year it keeps on depreciating, and WDV is my A. Okay, after whatever year, okay, the value becomes A. Okay, so using this formula, let us calculate few problems. The value of a machinery depreciates every year by 20%. What would be the value of the machinery bought for 62,500 at the end of 3 years? Okay, so P is equal to 62,500. R is equal to 20%, which is 0.20, and T or N is equal to 3 years. You are supposed to find A. Okay, so depreciated value you are supposed to find. A is depreciated value. Okay, so A is equal to P into 1 minus R, 1 minus R raised to N. So 62,500, 1 minus 0.20 raised to 3. So $62,500. Let's calculate this. Okay, 1 minus 0.2, oops, 1 minus 0.2 raised to 3. Raised to 3 means into and is equal to 2 times. It comes to 0.512. 0.512 multiply by 62,500 into 62,500, 32,000. So therefore value of machine after 3 years is equal to 32,000. Okay, let's see the next problem. A machine depreciates in value each year at 10% of its previous value, and at the end of 4th year its value is rupees 1,31,220. Find the original value. Okay, so here A is given, you are supposed to find P. So A is equal to 131,220. R is 10%, which is 0.10, and 4 years. So N is equal to 4 years. Okay, so you know A is equal to P into 1 minus R raised to N. So P, I'll keep it this side and I'll take the bracket to the other side. So it will become P is equal to A upon 1 minus R raised to N. So A is 131,220 divided by 1 minus 0.10 or 0.1 upon 4 raised to 4, sorry. So this becomes 131,220 divided by 0.9 raised to 4. Let's calculate 0.9 raised to 4. 0.9 raised to 4 into and is equal to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So it comes to 0.6561. 0.6561. So 131,220 divided by 0.6561. 131,220 divided by 0.6561. So which is 2 lakhs. So principal is rupees 2 lakhs. Let's see the next problem. Okay. In a certain population, an annual birth and death rate per thousand are 39.4 and 19.4 respectively. Okay. Find the number of years in which the population will be doubled. Okay. So now suppose there are 1,000 people. Okay. Out of this 1,000 people, okay, every year on an average there is a birth rate. Okay, birth rate is 39.4. Like on an average 39 for every 1,000, 39.4 people give birth, and for every 1,000, 19.4 people die. Okay, so what is the birth rate then, I mean growth rate. So birth rate is 39.4. Death rate is 19.4. Okay, so birth rate minus death rate. Birth rate minus death rate will be my growth rate. Growth rate will be 39.4 minus 19.4, which is 20. So every 1000, today there are, I mean, if there are 1000 people, next year there will be 1020 people. Okay, so that means birth rate is 20 persons per 1000 persons. Okay, so that means percentage wise it is 20 divided by 1000 into 100, so which is 0.02%. So that is 2%. So 0.02%. Okay, not this is 2%. 2% means 0.02. So growth rate is 0.02. Okay, so yeah, and population is getting doubled. How many years it will take for the population to get doubled? So here let P be 100, then A will be 200. Okay, R is 0.02, and you are supposed to find N. How many years it will take to double? Okay, so N formula is equal to log A minus log P divided by log 1 plus R. Correct? Yeah. Log A minus log P divided by log 1 plus R. Okay. So log 200 minus log 100 divided by log, no, there's something raised to N also, no? Wait, let me check the formula once. 1 plus R raised to N. No, N only you are supposed to find, right? Yeah, this is the formula, correct. 1 plus R. 1 plus R will be 1.02. Okay. So log 200 is log 200, before the decimal there are 3 digits, correct? 200 means 200.00. Before the decimal there are 3 digits. So 3 digit minus 1. 3 digit minus 1 is 2. So 2 point. Okay. Now you have to see, you have to ignore row 20 column 0. Row 20 column 0. Let's go to the log table. Row 20 column 0 is 3010. So 2.3010. Okay, and log 100. Okay, so log 100. So 100 means before the decimal there are 3 digits. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2.00, because log 100 is 2 on, like row 10 column 0 is 0000. So yeah, so 2.0 is 2. Okay, now 1.02. So before the decimal there is 1 digit. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 point. Okay, so row 10 column 2. Row 10 column 2. is 0086. Okay, so 0.0086. Okay, so yeah, this is 0.3010 divided by 0.0086. 0.3010 divided by 0086. Point 3010 divided by 0.0086. 35. So n is equal to 35 years. So population doubles in 35 years. Therefore, population doubles in 35 years. Let's see the next question. In 2020, a certain island contains 2000 dogs. If the population increases by 6% each year, how many dogs are expected to be there on island by 2028? Okay, so growth rate is 6%. Okay, so principal is 2000. Okay, you are supposed to find A. Oops. You're supposed to find A. R is 6%, which is 0.06. Okay, from 2020 to 2028, so that is 8 years. So n is equal to 8 years. So yeah, A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to n. So 2000 into 1 plus 0.06 raised to 8. So 2000 into 1.06 raised to 8. So 1.06 raised to 8. 1.06 raised to 8 into twice. Okay, and is equal to 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1.5938. 2000 into 1.5938. Correct? 1.5938. Yes. So let's multiply. Two thousand into 1.5938, which is 3187.6. Okay, or because it's number of dogs, it cannot be in point, so you can write 3188. So 3188. So number of dogs will be increased to 3188. Number of dogs in the year 2028 will be 3188. That's it for the day, students, and with this we finish annuity.